Just a regular day at the mini-zoo. Wait, what is that thing on my head? Hey, find another parking spot. Oh no, it's heading for the sheep. Look, it's transforming into a wild alien beast. Everyone, scatter. Let's scan our camel. Caramel's running hot at 41.8 degrees Celsius. Looks like he needs a serious design makeover. Eyes locked, safety glasses on. Let's customize the silhouette and detach the head. Time for a long, slithering hybrid base. And then secure it with steel wire. A whole new concept starts here. Perfect. Adding hot glue to define the segments. It bends flawlessly. Now, let's prep for the details. Clay time, layering a vibrant sci-fi gradient. Now, let's carve in some fine textural details. Let's widen the front and form a deep cavern for the mouth. Smooth out the edges and mark the contours for the final touches. Let's give him some defensive spikes. Snip up the toothpicks and use tweezers to plant them one by one. He's looking fiercely menacing. Mask on. Time to prime. Spray a thick coat of gray base to unify the texture. Bring Caramel's plastic head back and blend it seamlessly into the build. But this hybrid needs legs, and nature has the best materials. Time to forage the indoor jungle. These twigs are perfect. Snap to size. Glue the joints. And drill mounting holes right into the body. Plug them in. Adjust the stance. It's coming alive. Bring it back to the desert look. Paint the body sand yellow in a deep crimson shade inside the mouth. Highlight the spikes with clean white. Shadow the crevices. And paint the eye a bold, mystical red. Final touch, glossy varnish for that polished toy sheen. Look at that shine. Caramel looks amazing, but wait, look who's back. That little parasite wants round 2. Wrong project to mess with, buddy. Boom. Out of the game. Meet the Sand Strider. Incredible gloss. Epic details. And shelf ready. Comment if you'd build one. And see you next time.
Hey buddy, I wouldn't eat that sand if I were you. Looks like your Transformers ride is here. A Titan drill man. What does he want with cardboard? Oh, to break it apart. But now you've upset him. Well, maybe this will shut him up. Don't touch. He's got a very special building kit for you. Judging by the box, it looks like you've got Optimus Prime. I guess your friend here prefers Bumblebee and classic kits. Seriously, the other one looks store-bought new. Look, a spider. Guess you're not a fan. But your friend here sure loves them. It's about time we cleared off the cobwebs. Might as well inspect the parts while we're at it. Well, at least they still fit together. But they could still use a little cleaning. Unless that purple stuff's supposed to be there. Just make sure Bumblebee's head's on straight. I wonder if those are extra parts, especially that sticky stuff. Wow, those new pieces are shiny. I was about to ask about dimming the lights. Once again, the head completes the look. Oh, the arms. Almost forgot about the arms. Or the rest of all that armor. Now he looks ready for battle. Wow, he can really move with all those joints. I'm sure that's eating up you-know-who inside. So why not customize a few spare parts? One extension and paint job coming up. Next up, let's cut up those goggles. Oh yeah, make sure you take them off first. Use the pieces to make some wings, 'cause this bumblebee's gonna fly. But we're not done with the extensions just yet. I see we're keeping the pink stuff too. Wow, it's really coming together. Wait, we're missing a piece. Hey, that's our tire. He's complete, but he sure could use some sprucing up. Maybe a shower while we're at it? No? But at least we can customize. Still, these guys both look great in the end. It goes to show you that age is really just a number. Well, especially when you can still strike a good pose. Kangaroo versus Transformer. Wow, you knocked his block off. Careful, Roo's got friends in some high and low places. Of course, it's anyone's fight in the end. Don't forget, Hippo plays the winner. Looks like we'll need new parts and a whole new zoo. Of course, the aquarium can be fun too. These pinchers could use some extensions. Grab some broken toys for a few spare parts. Now things are about to get really wired. You can never have too many pinchers. He's ready to rumble, or hit the disco, whatever comes first. Now it's your turn. Think of it like one big puzzle. Well, that's one way to build somebody up. Wow, look at the muzzle on this guy. But a croc doesn't have to be too scary. In fact, why don't we add all sorts of colors? Yeah, go from crab to mantis shrimp, just like that. Now this brings new meaning to 4 eyes. Grab some wires for a brand new exoskeleton. Cover with foil and add a matching tail. Now let's just add a few final touches. And you know who could use some arms. Much better. The red's nice, but a croc needs some scales. Fill up every nook and cranny, even around the arms. Besides, we'll still have plenty of red, just in your mouth. Plus some white teeth and blue lipstick. Wow, guess this guy really is blue. Dabba dee, dabba die. Still, we could always use a splash of green, too. Don't like the color? Well then, just paint over it. You're almost done. Just add a few more pieces. Of course, slow and steady sometimes wins the race. Yeah, you really want to get the drool just right. And those boils looking their bloodiest. So, are you guys ready for a rematch? Careful, I'd avoid those teeth. Didn't I tell you? Well, your Transformers all in pieces. Next time, a little hot glue might help.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
No.
Sprunky, and Transformers all together. What does that make? I don't know. Check the box. Ooh, looks like there's some assembly required. It's time to bring some Sprunkies together. Remember, Mr. Sun is always watching. Always watching. Wow, these building blocks are really going back to basics. This porcelain throne will be Mr. Sun's crown. Now it's time for a few extensions. This stuff also makes for the perfect armor. This'll help our new creation live large. Well, at least he can stand tall with this fancy footwear. Okay, we made something for the feet. Let's move on to hands. We just need one for now. Now, our guy could use a fresh coat of paint. Gray's a nice base, but let's add some color. Guess we're going for the bumblebee look, but maybe not on top. You know, his mouth is looking a little dry. Here, our special potion should fix you up. I'd watch out for that dribble, though. It's not typing practice, but we're gonna need that keyboard. Just cut out some squares. And maybe add some color. Maybe add a touch of black. Now rock those shoulder speakers. Of course, we're gonna need some wires. Don't forget to add a cover too. Now try it out. Some wheels will help get things rolling. No shame in still needing training wheels. He looks good, but he still needs something. Guess we gotta craft up a sword. Just remember to help make it fit. Now for some slime. And a few other finishing touches. Oh, don't forget to oil those hinges. But now, it's time for the big unveiling. Those Titans better watch out. Decepticons, too.